With the top being routered, we are completely done building our project. The last step is to sand all the components and prep this for stain. Areas that have burn marks from the router, we want to sand those out. Any pencil marks for layout lines for our pocket holes, those need to be sanded out, as well as pencil marks for laying out for our curves at the bottom, those need to be sanded off. Additionally, if there are any irregularities in the surface, we want to sand that flush, as well as every sharp edge on the project. We want to break the edge with a sanding block and then come back with some sandpaper and smooth that out. The goal is to put a microscopic round over so it still looks square, but it's not going to chip off over time. And lastly, we just want to do an overall general sanding of the entire project to prep this for stain.